In primetime news this evening, BOJ facing criticism for failings of commercial banks as fraud against their customers continues.
Local law enforcement target retailers of fake curry powder.
And authorities scrambling for answers as road fatalities threaten to pass record tally by year end. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, there are concerns about property owners listing the price of their properties in US dollars. What stakeholders had to say later in the business day.
And speaking of dollars, how much money do you get to be an ambassador? Jermaine Brown has a special story coming up in Primetime Sports.
Well, thank you, Archie. Well, I'll tell you what, Jamaica's Olympic team, they'll have Usain Bolt firmly in their corner for the Paris Games. We'll tell you how a bit later on.
You want to make a guess?
Not in prime.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking, what steps what steps do you follow to ensure foods you consume are safe or made by reputable companies?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center.
I feel like that might have been some of the fake curry.
I forgot to say welcome back.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.